Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fade all clips at once using batch fade in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly efficient technique that can save you hours of work when you need to apply transitions across multiple clips in your timeline. Let's dive right in and get this done quickly. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll be greeted by the main interface where you can access all the different modules. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several tabs that represent different workspaces. Click on the one labeled Edit. This will take you to the editing workspace where all your timeline and clip manipulation happens. This is where the magic unfolds. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, it's time to select the clips you want to fade. Simply highlight all the clips in your timeline that you want to apply the fade effect to. You can do this by clicking and dragging across multiple clips, or by holding Shift and clicking the first and last clip in your sequence. Make sure every clip you want to fade is selected before moving forward, as this determines which clips will receive the effect. Here's where the real time-saving trick comes in. With all your clips highlighted, press Ctrl-T on your keyboard. This is the keyboard shortcut that applies transitions in DaVinci Resolve. The moment you press this, you'll see crossfade transitions appear between all your selected clips. Keep in mind that the specific effect applied depends on what you've set as your default transition. If you haven't changed it, it will typically be a cross dissolve, which is the standard fade effect. Now, if you want to customize how these transitions look, click on one of the transition effects that was just applied. Once it's selected, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel is your control center for fine-tuning the effect. Here you can adjust the duration to make the fade longer or shorter, change the alignment to control how the transition sits between clips, and modify the style to suit your creative vision. You'll also find options to adjust the start and end ratio, which controls the curve of the fade. Play around with the ease settings to create smoother or more abrupt transitions, and explore the transition curve options to dial in the exact feel you're going for. These adjustments will help you match the mood and pacing of your project perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully applied fade transitions to all your clips at once and customized them to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.